Hello friends, it's Snubby. I am at Nakameguro station on the Tokyo Toyoko line now. Nakameguro station is located 2 stops from Shibuya station. The Tokyo Toyoko line is a major railway line connecting Tokyo to Yokohama. The line is owned and operated by the private railway operator Tokyo Corporation. The name of the line, Toyoko, is a combination of the first characters of Tokyo and Yokohama. I'm here for lunch today. What am I going to eat for lunch today? It's Friday today. The street is not so crowded even before the lunch. I've decided this restaurant. It's very nice and cozy. This restaurant is located by the Meguro River. This is the view from the restaurant. It's quieter than I thought. Before the meal, I had a non-alcohol cocktail. The original teriyaki in Japan is different from that in the other countries. Heating blended seasoning that includes sugar results in the glaze that gradually thickens. This gives the dish a bright, shiny coating. This phenomenon is called teri in Japanese. Teriyaki chicken is grilled with this way. This is what we call teriyaki chicken in Japan. I'm full now. Let's walk to the next station. Nakameguro is literally translated as middle of Meguro. It's a residential district within the larger ward of Meguro. The Meguro River is a Class B river that flows from Setagaya through Meguro and Shinagawa wards and empties into Tokyo Bay. It's also famous for its cherry blossoms. The part of the river that flows through Meguro ward is lined with approximately 800 cherry blossom trees over a distance of 4 kilometers. These cherry blossoms are in full bloom from late March to early April. Many traditional izakaya used to stretch under these railway tracks, and people enjoyed its old-town atmosphere. In 2008, all of them were closed due to the improvement project of the station and the start of seismic reinforcement work on the railway viaduct. This is the border between Shibuya and Meguro. I'm about to enter Shibuya ward. I'm approaching Daikanyama station. Daikanyama station opened on August 1927, 18 months after the Tokyo Toyoko line opened. About 29,000 passengers use this station a day. The origin of the name Daikanyama is not clear. Although there are theories that it was named after the residents of Daikon or because forested area managed by the Daikon. Daikanyama is located in the southwest of Shibuya Ward and is lined with boutiques, confectionery shops, cafes, and restaurants as well as residential areas. This is the Daikanyama station's platform. That's so narrow. How can people wait for the train? Let's explore this back alley. What I love most about Tokyo is that there are so many back alleys like this one. I wanted to film the view while climbing the stairs. Unfortunately, however, I gave up as the ones on both sides are normal houses. I came across a slightly wider road. I was thinking I might was on the wrong way. I'm relieved. The cityscape is gradually becoming more and more Shibuya-ish. There are many embassies in this area. I can see the Libya's flag over there. It might be fun to film a video of the embassy tour in Tokyo. Note that it is illegal in Japan to paint graffiti on the streets. Shibuya Station is almost there. Here comes the Yamanote Line's train. Today, I would like to go to a part of Shibuya where the locals may not pay much attention. Is that the construction site? Shibuya continues to undergo large-scale redevelopment, said to be once in a century. JR Shibuya Station has also undergone a series of major improvement works over the past few years, including the relocation of platforms and the switching of lines on the Yamanote Line with a 2-day service suspension. It's like going through an RPG dungeon. No monsters are here, though. It is said that Shibuya was settled and villages were established around the 14th century. During the Edo period, Shibuya was dotted with samurai residences, and some areas of Shibuya prospered as a lodging town. But it was not until the Meiji period that the area was formed as a town. Shibuya Station opened in 1885 and the village of Shibuya was created in 1889. Further railway extensions then made the town of Shibuya larger. Besides Hachiko, there is another meeting point. Many people miss, but most of the locals know here, the Moyai statue. This is made of stone which can only be mined on Nijime and an island in Italy. The statue of Hachiko that waited for its master, a university professor, was installed in front of Shibuya Station in 1934. But it was removed during World War II due to the metal offerings. The current statue was created and reinstalled in 1948. Shibuya Scramble is the busiest intersection in the world. At times, about 3,000 people cross here at once, avoiding bumping each other. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね